Welcome to Achieve Luxury Life. Today, we're diving into a big idea. What if the government eliminated income taxes? Sounds like a dream, right? But there's a catch: tariffs. In this video, we break down a huge idea that could make your life cheaper, or much more expensive. Perfect for beginners, yes, even 10-year-olds. This video explains tariffs in simple words and shows how they could affect your snacks, toys, and family's budget. Segment 1. What are tariffs? First, let's understand tariffs. A tariff is a tax on goods coming from other countries. Think about it like this. When we buy things made in other countries, those items can be taxed. Why do this? It makes foreign goods more expensive, so people might buy products made at home instead. For example, let's say a roll of toilet paper from Mexico costs $1, but a roll made in America costs $2. If the US puts a 100% tariff on the Mexican toilet paper, suddenly, both rolls cost $2. Now people are more likely to buy American-made toilet paper. Sounds fair, right? Segment 2. Who pays for tariffs? But here's a catch: it's not the country making the product that pays the tax, it's the company bringing it into the US. So if Apple wants to sell a fancy new product from Mexico, they have to pay the tax, and that cost usually gets passed on to us, the buyers. This means if tariffs increase, we might end up paying more for the stuff we want. Segment 3. The pros of tariffs. Now, why would anyone want to have tariffs? Here are 4 possible benefits. 1. Helping local businesses. Tariffs can protect American companies from foreign competition. 2. Creating jobs. If local businesses grow, they might need to hire more workers. 3. Increasing government revenue. More sales mean more money for the government. Tariffs can help fund schools and roads. 4. Better trade deals. Countries might be encouraged to buy more American stuff if tariffs are applied. Trump's 2025 plan. What's changing? Donald Trump plans to impose a 10% tariff on Chinese imports and a 25% tariff on goods from Mexico and Canada. For example, a $100 phone from China would now cost $110. However, these countries might retaliate by taxing American products like cars and apples, potentially hurting farmers, manufacturers, and consumers. Even worse, tariffs generate only enough revenue to fund the government for about 15 days a year, while income taxes sustain it for all 365 days. This means tariffs alone cannot replace income taxes, despite claims suggesting otherwise. Segment 4. The cons of tariffs. Of course, tariffs come with drawbacks. 1. Higher prices. Often, we pay more for products because of added taxes. 2. Retaliation. Other countries can raise their taxes on American goods, hurting our sellers. 3. Economic downturn. If many companies struggle, fewer jobs can hurt the economy. 4. Less innovation. Without competition, companies have less reason to improve. Segment 5. Real-world examples. It's important to see how tariffs have played out before. Remember in the 1930s, the US placed tariffs to help itself during the Great Depression? It caused prices to rise and businesses to suffer instead. Countries reacted by putting tariffs on our products, which hurt American jobs. Segment 6. Current news on tariffs. Recently, there's talk about President Trump applying more tariffs on countries like China, Mexico, and Canada. This could mean higher prices for everything we buy from these countries. If we're importing $1.3 trillion worth of goods, imagine the potential cost increases. Segment 7. Are tariffs the answer? Is removing income taxes really a good idea? Some believe tariffs can replace income taxes. However, it's hard to fund everything with tariffs alone. From past evidence and expert opinions, they often lead to increased costs for families. Imagine paying an extra $2,000 to $4,000 a year just because of tariffs. That's a lot of money. Segment 8. The bigger picture. Overall, while tariffs might protect some jobs, they frequently harm many others. We need smart decisions about trade and the economy, like reducing unnecessary government spending rather than banking on tariffs for money. What do you think? Are tariffs a good trade-off for no more income tax? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.